Welcome to Kashmir Crown News. Dear ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all are well. Since you know that we discuss so many issues related to Kashmir affairs, today let's debate the another issue, the tension between India and China on borders. On this debate we have certain panelists, but before that let me tell you that every person here in Jammu and Kashmir wants peace and prosperity. The people like Engineer Rashid, Umar Abdullah and Mahbooba Mufti have fought so many elections and promising people to bring peace in the valley, but they all have miserably failed to do so. This is the bitter truth which Mahbooba Mufti and Umar Abdullah has to bear with. And on this discussion, let me bring in my panelists, but before that, let's play the video clip of India and China border tension.
Actually, to demo our area. Yeah. This is not your bloody area.
This is not your area.
No.
This is our area.
This is our area. And you are doing recce, patrolling your area. So many people, only 10 people can do. 10 people can do recce. 10 people can do patrolling.
Why so many? Why so many?
So many soldiers.
Welcome back. You have seen this video clip in which two strong armies are facing each other on the borders. Now let's start this discussion on India-China border tension. With me on this debate joining is Praful Patel, who is defense analyst, and Engineer Rashid, who is MLA Langate and AIP chairman. And besides that, we have renowned advocate Irfan Lone. First of all, let me go straight to Engineer Rashid. Rashid साहब, सबसे पहले मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि चाइना जो है अब इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के जो अफेयर्स है उनमें मुदाखलत इंटरवेंशन कर रहा है। बेगानी शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना जैसी सिचुएशन आपको लग रही है?
नहीं, पहली बात यह है कि ये महबूबा मुफ्ती साहिबा को पता होगा चाइना बीच में कहां से आ गया। टू द बेस्ट ऑफ अवर इंफॉर्मेशन, चाइना हैज ऑलवेज ऑफर्ड जस्ट a mediation and urged upon the two countries to resolve that conflict amicably. Number one, and having said that, obviously in geopolitics, Bakshi साहब, my learned friend, can answer better. मतलब जब एक इंटरेस्ट का चक्कर चल रहा है पूरी तरह से, अमेरिका यहाँ पर अपना असर कायम करना चाहता है। दूसरा ब्लॉक आजकल चाइना, रशिया और पाकिस्तान का बनने जा रहा है, तो ओबियसली उनका भी इस खिते में पूरा इंटरेस्ट होगा। तो लिहाजा किसी भी बैरूनी ताकत को यहाँ आने की जरूरत नहीं है। वी स्ट्रांगली बिलीव दैट वी मस्ट रिजॉल्व आवर इश्यूज, लेकिन उसके लिए हिंदुस्तान की सरकार को मैग्नानिमिटी दिखानी होगी और जितने भी इश्यूज हैं उनको रिजॉल्व करना पड़ेगा एमिकेबली। तो हम यही उम्मीद रखेंगे कि दिल्ली और इस्लामाबाद होकर आए और वो कश्मीर का जो तनाजा है, जो 70 साल से यहाँ लोग मर रहे हैं, उसको हल किया जाए।
रशीद साहब, ये अक्सर ये कहा जाता है कि चाइना जो है दादागिरी दिखाता है, बॉर्डर्स पे बंकर्स को तोड़ के जाता है, जमीन हड़प करके। जी,
वो चीज तो हमने शायद असेंबली में भी कही, अगर आपको याद होगा, और मैं अपने जनरल बख्शी साहब जो आपके साथ लाइन पे है उनसे भी मैं यही अर्ज करूंगा कि अगर पाकिस्तान जब कुछ करता है तो आप कहते हैं हमने पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक की, लेकिन जब चाइना आपके साथ कुछ करता है तो आप कुछ नहीं करते हैं। तो हमारी यही गुजारिश होगी, मोदी जी तो अभी तक एक भी शब्द नहीं बोले जो चाइना मणिपुर, नागालैंड या उधर अरुणाचल प्रदेश में जो भी उनकी वो लंतरैया हैं, एंड वी डेफिनेटली एक्सपेक्ट दैट।
इंजीनियर साहब, लेट मी ब्रिंग इन बख्शी साहब। बख्शी साहब, चाइना के सामने ये हाल हिंदुस्तान का बेहाल क्यों है? जैसे पाकिस्तान पे सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, चाइना पे क्यों नहीं?
देखिए, ऐसा है, मैं विंग कमांडर बख्शी हूँ
जी। दूसरा
ये है कि चाइना के खिलाफ अभी तक जो 62 के बाद 2 बार हुआ था, एक 67 में और 87 में, 88 में हुआ, एक झड़प हुई थी और दोनों बार चाइना को ब्लडी नोज मिला था। चाइना इस बात को समझ गया है कि अब हिंदुस्तान 62 वाला हिंदुस्तान नहीं है, इसलिए उसके बाद कोई गोली नहीं चली, कोई खराबा नहीं हुआ। अगर आप देखेंगे तो सिर्फ धक्का मुक्की होती है बॉर्डर पे और उसके बाद कुछ नहीं होता। ये बात, और उसको चाइना को पता चल गया, जहां उसने गोलीबारी स्टार्ट करी, हम एब्सोल्युटली रेडी हैं और कीन है, पर वो इसमें वो चांस नहीं ले रहा हमारे साथ में, और इसीलिए हम भी उसको ज्यादा बढ़ाना नहीं चाहते। अगर वो गोलीबारी नहीं कर रहा, कोई अटैक नहीं कर रहा, हमारे विलेजेस और हमारे इनोसेंट लोगों को मार नहीं रहा, तो हम क्यों उसको।
बख्शी साहब, हम मारने और मारने में क्यों यकीन रखते हैं? हमें नहीं ऐसा करना चाहिए।
बेसिक नहीं करना चाहिए।
नहीं,
हमें अपने बचाव करना चाहिए, अपने लोगों की रक्षा करनी चाहिए।
नहीं, आप मेरी बात सुनिए, बेसिक जो नासूर है वो मसला कश्मीर है, कश्मीर का इशू है। अगर ये नासूर नहीं होता तो चाइना शायद आज ये हिम्मत नहीं करता कि वो बोलता कि अगर पाकिस्तान रिक्वेस्ट करे तो वो कश्मीर में अपना इंटरवेंशन कर सकते हैं। बेसिक मसला यहाँ पे है कश्मीर का, इस इशू को रिजॉल्व करने की जरूरत है।
देखिए ऐसा है, मैं आपको समझा दूं, चाइना के बड़े इंटरेस्ट है इस एरिया में। ये नहीं समझती कि वो कश्मीर से बड़ा प्यार है उसको, उसके अपने इकोनॉमिक इंटरेस्ट है, CPOK में है वो, वहां पे अपना उसने 50 बिलियन के से ज्यादा पैसा लगा चुका है, 70 बिलियन हो गया है। वो नहीं चाहता कि वहां पे उसकी गैर मौजूदगी रहे, वो अपना इंटरेस्ट कायम रखना चाहता है और वो देखना चाहता है कि हिंदुस्तान का जो है पलड़ा हल्का रहे, और इसीलिए वो दखलंदाजी करना चाहता है। पर उसने तो सिर्फ यही कहा है कि मैं इंटरवीन करूंगा। अब भारत की सरकार उसको क्लियरली मना कर सकती है, इसमें बड़ी बात क्या है? इसमें कोई हमको रंजन
ताकत के हिसाब से बख्शी साहब, आपको लग रहा है कि हिंदुस्तान मुकाबला कर सकता है आज के जदीद दौर में चाइना के साथ?
देखिए ऐसा है, अगर जैसे कि सेक्टर वाइज की बात होती है जी, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको कि ताकत के हिसाब से अगर इस एरिया में अगर लड़ाई होगी तो हम चाइना से बिल्कुल कम नहीं है। अगर आप पूरी की पूरी उसकी ताकत अगर तोल के देखें वो दूसरी बात है, पर उसको अपने साउथ ईस्ट एशिया के लिए भी हमारा रखा, सारे दुश्मन उसके वहां बैठे हैं, तो उसके हिसाब से वो जितनी ताकत चाइना लगा सकता है उसके हिसाब से उसको तो चने चबाने पड़ेंगे।
बख्शी साहब आपने अपना पॉइंट रख दिया। लेट मी ब्रिंग इन मिस्टर लोन, इरफान लोन, एडवोकेट
जी।
आप मुझे बताएं कि ये जो बख्शी साहब बोल रहे हैं कि चाइना का इंटरवेंशन जब होगा तो भारत जो है वो तैयार है, लेकिन बेसिक मसला जो है वो एड्रेस कोई नहीं कर रहा है। इरफान, व्हाट्स योर व्यू पॉइंट?
वही तो दुख की बात है। सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज दैट कश्मीर इज अ पॉलिटिकल प्रॉब्लम, इट रिक्वायर्स अ पॉलिटिकल सेटलमेंट। दिस होकस पोकस policy of deflection that everything is creation of Pakistan is a false narrative. Then we are befooling the nation. Let me tell you, some time ago the BJP president Mr. Amit Shah said that it's a problem, it exists since 1947, and he blamed former Prime Minister of India Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, thereby meaning that Kashmir is a political problem. Recently you have seen when United States of America declared Said Salahuddin as an international global terrorist, but in the same breath they said that there is no change in our policy with Kashmir. We still believe that it's a disputed problem. Rather it's a disputed territory. So this is eye-opener for them. If they blame sometimes China, sometimes Pakistan, then we are just befooling the nation. Let me tell you one thing. Pakistan's official stand on Kashmir is that they will extend their political, diplomatic, moral support to Kashmir's struggle. So that is there. If Pakistan is, just playing, it's,
इरफान साहब, बख्शी साहब, पाकिस्तान का एक रोल बनता है।
Just Imran साहब, just one more important thing. Let me tell you, you're talking about China. Are you aware about this fact that 12,000 square miles of our territory, J&K, is with Aqsa Chin? That is with China. So when we talk about Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, and if we bring China, that's very much relevant because 12,000 square miles are controlled by China right now.
You mean China has role?
Yes.
So, Mr. Bakshi, how would you react?
I will react this way, that China took that area long back, which is under dispute, and thanks to Pakistan, which is creating fire in Kashmir, he was privy to it, and they have given the territory of POK to Kashmir, but that is a different thing.
How that's a different thing? That's very much relevant. Our territory is with China. We will take back from them.
Let me finish.
How you can relinquish that territory? I'm saying tomorrow if we have to bring that territory back, we have to talk to China. So China is a relevant party to this problem.
We have to bring that territory back. That is between us and China. Nothing to do with Kashmir. Kashmir is not a country. Kashmir is part of India. Kashmir
Sir, I just want to tell you, there is an article in Indian Constitution, that's 253, which provides that Parliament can give effect to any international agreement. But with regard to Jammu and Kashmir, any territory, if Parliament makes any law with any foreign country, they cannot do without the consent of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This is Article 253 of Indian Constitution, thereby meaning we are party to the problem. Without us, you cannot enter into any agreement with any country.
Kashmir is not a party to the problem because Kashmir did not give the territory to China. It is China who occupied it. So Kashmir is not a party to that thing. When it gives the territory to China, then it becomes a party.
इंजीनियर रशीद साहब यहाँ पे बात हो रही है कि चाइना ने जो है अक्साई चीन का इलाका है हड़प किया है। उस हवाले से इंजीनियर रशीद, यू आर सन ऑफ द सॉइल and you as an MLA has a role to raise the voice. What would you say today?
First thing is that India is itself confused. Let New Delhi decide what they want. If they really wish Kashmiris to be with them or respect their rights, then obviously they have to talk to China. They don't know what to do. Sometimes they say it is an integral part. Sometimes they say China has occupied some land, so we will not agree to right to self-determination. All what I want to say is that all the parties, including China, have to be brought to the table and they have to be asked
so
louder and clear.
Engineer Rashid, you mean that China has a role?
No, obviously when they have occupied our land, someday you will have to ask them that. Yeah, why they don't have a role? They are constructing CPAC to Gilgit-Baltistan, which is very much part of Jammu and Kashmir. They are constructing CPAC to Azad Kashmir. So obviously, JNK is integral part of India. Why you are not stopping CPAC? So New Delhi has miserably failed. New Delhi is absolutely clear. Kashmir did not give the territory to China. Sir, I am telling you the same thing, but why don't you stop the CPAC then? Because it is your integral part. Yes, stop China, but that is between us and China. But what are you doing? The problem is there, but what are you doing? Pakistan. But what are you doing? You are doing nothing. The problem is between India and Pakistan. Is not your China is no right to play. Commander Bakshi, you have the right to self-determination. You will have to agree, and the sooner you agree, better it is for everybody. No, we are all, everything has been agreed. Sooner Pakistan realizes that they should stop supporting giving money for the dissentment in Pakistan. I am telling that let you fulfill the promise of right to self-determination, which Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had promised. Yes, self-determination will be there, provided both the parties release the territory. If Pakistan releases... Obviously, but let New Delhi, being the bigger partner, the bigger brother, take the initiatives, talk to Pakistan, accept intervention from United Nations and resolve things. Just watching the
Mr. Bakshi, let's discuss this maturely. Mr. Bakshi, आपको नहीं लग रहा है कि कल तक
when I am talking, they should allow me to talk. When they are talking, I will allow them to talk.
Please go ahead.
That is the correct way. So now you ask bari bari se, and we will talk bari bari se.
Yes, please go ahead, Mr. Bakshi.
I am saying that this territory, the area of Kashmir which you are talking is disputed. There is, yes, this debate between India and Pakistan, which has to be done between India and Pakistan. If China has come and taken a territory, but China has taken a territory through some conflict which we had, which Kashmiri people are not part to that. They did not defeat India. They did not become destroyed. They cannot be blamed. Why should they be party to it? They should not be party to anything. It should be India and China. We will decide when we have to decide. China's problem, Kashmir problem is between India
Bakshi,
and
you
Pakistan.
seem to be confused. You seem to be confused.
No.
First of all, Mr. Bakshi, if Kashmir is part of India, then how did you allow China to take Aksai Chin?
Oh, they did it by force. We were weak that time.
So why don't you take it back? Why don't you take it back?
Yes, why
don't you take it back?
It is not one day affair.
No,
please don't get confused.
Don't get confused for last 70 years.
When you are talking of war, we
for decades together.
It is not one day affair. It will be taken time. We will get it back. We will get it back, but Kashmir should not be touched at all.
Mr. Bakshi Saab, let me tell you one thing. There is a parliament passed resolution to take territory back only with regard to territory which is with Pakistan. They are mute spectators with regard to territory with China. These are double standards.
Okay.
I am not talking of the territory which China has taken by force. That is between India and China.
Mr.
Please understand.
Let me take now final word. Engineer Rashid साहब, आपसे मैं एक आखिरी वर्ड लेना चाहता हूं यहाँ पे कि ये जो चाइना का रोल दिन ब दिन स्ट्रांग बनता जा रहा है। चाइना हत्ता कि ये कह गया कि अगर पाकिस्तान हमें कहे तो हम अपनी आर्मी, उन्होंने सीधे कहा कि थर्ड कंट्री आर्मी, दैट मीन चाइना आर्मी जो है पाकिस्तान में एंटर होके कश्मीर में एंटर होके अपना जो किरदार है वो निभा सकती है। इंजीनियर रशीद, व्हाट वुड बी योर वर्ड?
No, we are not favoring that thing. We are already in a state of tension and destruction. So we definitely wish that good sense will prevail, and New Delhi and Islamabad will never allow any third party to intervene. That is not in anybody's interest, and let us hope that good sense will prevail at least in New Delhi, and they will take steps to resolve the Kashmir dispute before any misadventure happens.
Okay, Mr. Bakshi, please.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm absolutely clear that what territory China has taken by force, that India and China will decide, and India will take it by force if need be, if not by negotiation. As far as Kashmir problem is concerned, which Pakistan has made it a problem, we don't make it a problem. That is between India and Pakistan should stop supplying arms and money to the descendants in Kashmir Valley. They should do a favor to the humanity. So they should resolve the whole thing peacefully. Kashmiris want peace, I know very well. And so, let's give them peace.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Irfan Lohan.
See, history is witness to the fact that dialogue talks lead to resolution. So I believe India is one of the largest democracy. They should realize that Kashmir is a problem, and they should leave no stone unturned to find a permanent settlement to Kashmir problem that is in the larger interest of India and Pakistan, both countries.
Thank you very much. I thank you all of my panelists for joining me on this debate. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.